Good day, guys. This may be some of the possible question and answers under COLREGS, Collision Regulation 1972. This is the part 1. So if you will check this one, study, you will have the answer. Okay. First question. We will ramble it. Okay. Refers to the mistakes or misjudgment made by human that lead to accidents or incidents at sea. The answer is human error. Another one. The international regulations for preventing collisions at sea, or COLREGS, were formally adopted on blank. The answer is October 20, 1972. I repeat, October 20, 1972. The other one. The international regulations for preventing collisions at sea, or COLREGS, came into force on blank. The answer is July 15, 1977. July 15, 1977. Okay, we proceed to another one. Sorry. Under Rule 1, Application, Paragraph A. This rule shall apply to blank upon the high seas and in all waters connected therewith navigable by sea-going vessels. The answer is all vessels. All vessels. Another one. Under COLREGS Rule 2. What is it? COLREGS Rule 2 is blank. The answer is responsibility. We proceed. Nothing in this rule shall blank any vessel or the owner, master or crew thereof from the consequences of any neglect to comply with these rules, or of the neglect of any precaution which may be required by the ordinary practice of seamen or by the special circumstances of the case. The answer is, we say, nothing in this rule shall blank. The answer is exonerate. Exonerate. So the answer is exonerate. Only one word. We proceed. In COLREGS 1972, what is Rule 3? The answer is general definitions. Again, we proceed. The word blank includes every description of watercraft, including non-displacement craft, wig craft, and seaplanes used or capable of being used as a means of transportation on the water. The answer is vessel. Very easy. Another one. The term power-driven vessel, this is bonus. So if you listen, so the answer is power-driven vessel. The term blank means any vessel propelled by machinery. The term blank means any vessel propelled by machinery. The answer is power-driven vessel. Oh, very easy. Last one. On the part 1, this is the last one. The term blank means any vessel under sail, provided that the propelling machinery, if fitted, is not being used. The answer is sailing vessel. Okay, that is COLREGS question and answer part 1.